Do you know how to work with a negative modulus? Let's look at how we can be able to get the value when we are operating a negative integer in a given modulo. So here we are simplifying minus 23 in the mode of what? 6. Remember, modulo deal with only positive values as the answer. So now, in the previous episode, we learned that if I have A divided by B equal to C plus R, R become the remainder. So we are dividing this. So this simply means we have A mod what? B. If I have A mod B, meaning I am dividing the A by the mode, and I'll be interested in only the remainder. So the remainder is what I'm looking for. All right. The same way, when you multiply the B plus C, B times C, and you add the remainder, you should be having the A. That's the concept of modular arithmetic. So here, we are going to divide this by this. Now, when you divide, you'll be getting a negative value. So let's see. 23 divided by 6, and that will be 18. That is 3 times 6 will be 18, which is less than this. But the next figure after the 3 will be 4. 3 times 6 is 18. Then 4 times 6 is what? 24. 24, which is bigger than the value 23. Let's ignore the negative for now. So now this will be, let me just say, negative 23. The mode of 6 will be equals to, I am going to pick the negative, okay? Negative 4 times 6, right? Negative 4 times 6 will be giving me negative 24. But I'm looking for negative 23. So what number, what positive number will you add to negative 24 in order to get a negative 23? So this negative 24. If I add 1, positive 1, the value become negative 23. So this means that plus 1. And that plus 1 is the remainder we are interested in. So my final answer becomes, therefore, minus 23 in the mode of 6 become 1. Just this value. Or we say 1 in the mode of 4, 6. So that is the concept of using the actual definition of what? Modulo. Dividing an integer by another integer and make use of the remainder. That is what we have here. Now, we can also take it this way as an alternative method. Since I am dealing with negative, I'll have my minus 23. This is the mode. I'll be adding the mode to the number until I arrive at a positive value. So in this case, if I add 6 to the negative 23, you should be having negative 17. Because 3 here, 3 from 20. So negative 17. So negative 17 plus the mode again. That will be negative 11. Negative 11 plus 6. That will be negative 5. Negative 5 plus 6. That will be what? 1. So here we can see minus 23 in the mode of 6 will be what? 1. Or 1 in the mode of 6. So we can pick it in the division aspect. We can also pick it as a repeated addition. We are adding the base until we arrive at a positive value. And I'm sure negative integers, modulus will not be a problem for you henceforth, right? Leave a thought in the comment section. Let's get interactive. Bye-bye.